When you are now opening your eyes, the energy that is flowing through the eyes is not going out. It turns back inwards. And that energy heals. Your own energy heals your own body when you close your eyes. And after the healing of the body, then the same energy opens another slot here, another eye here, which is called the third eye. And you become clairvoyant. You see your past lifetimes. You see your future probabilities. You see new dimensions when your third eye is open. Two things are happening in meditation. When the energy is not going out, the energy is turning inward and cleansing the whole body. All the problems, right from headache to cancer, everything vanishes because of your own energy. You are utilizing in proper ways. Closing the eyes is the most important thing. And sitting for 1 hour, 2 hours, you should never open your eyes. If you are opening your eyes, it means you are interested in the world outside, not interested in your own meditation. There are two interests. You are interested in the world outside, you are interested in your own meditation. Both run counter to each other. When you close your eyes, it means you are interested in your meditation. When you open your eyes, it means you are not interested in your meditation, you are interested in observing the world, becoming one with the world outside. Closing the eyes is very important. In full moon days, the whole nights, we used to sit in meditation. And anybody opens the eyes, I would hit them in those days. It is my duty to see that you will keep your eyes closed. Maybe you are not comfortable with your meditation. So many thoughts are rushing into you, but yet you should not open your eyes. That is the first basic discipline, which in Sanskrit is called Dhamma. Dhamma means not opening the eyes. Control of the physical body is Dhamma. Then all the useless thoughts of the mind will be vanished, which is called Sama. Dhamma is control of the body. You should not open your eyes, that's all. The mind is devilish. Don't bother, but yet don't open your eyes. The mind is devilish. We know that. It becomes more of a devil when you close your eyes. But we want to see the devil straight. We want to see face to face. But you should never open your eyes. Control on the body, control on the eyes. Which is called Dhamma. Slowly, in due course, you will acquire Sama. Sama means there will be no useless thoughts in the mind. The worldly mind, the parental mind, the peer mind, the society mind gets decimated. It is the experience of every meditator. See, the experience of every singer is that before you start learning music, you are horrible, you are horrified with your own voice. It's not at all sweet. But once you acquire practice in music, it becomes sweet. That is the experience of every singer. Similarly, every meditator has got the same experience. Everybody is the same. All human beings are the same. The principles of any science are the same. The practice of any art are the same anywhere. The same sincerity and seriousness are required. So, my dear friends, the two keywords, Dhamma and Sama. Dhamma is not opening the eyes, come what may. Sama is equanimity of mind, serenity of mind, decimation of the worldly mind, of the parental mind, of the peer mind, of the society's mind, and recovery of the divine mind, which is native to you. With which position you came into the earth planet when you were born and you were entering a physical body. So, my dear friends, this much is the basic science.